Okay, let's start. Hello.
Yeah, hello. So day
Can you
2.
tell us where are you?
Yeah, day 2 we're in Jermuk, which
Jermuk.
is Jermuk, if you want to pronounce it that way, which is a historic spa town. Got a waterfall we're going to see now, and there's lots of geysers for all the underground spa. So that's why it's historically been a spa town that's been recently picking up as far as a tourist destination, trying to open it as a ski resort. So after the waterfall, we'll go and have a look around the actual town itself. Then have some lunch. This afternoon we go to a place called how do you pronounce that? Iberian Caravanserai. Iberian Caravanserai,
Yeah.
which is
you'll tell us
yeah.
what is it when we are there.
Yeah.
Jermuk is also quite popular brand for the mineral water, which is considered to be one of the best mineral waters with very nice and balanced composition of the minerals and sparkling.
Probably
water.
the best sparkling water I've had.
Yes, I agree. Okay, thanks for intro.
Instead of the rod behind her long hair, I think the father of the into a mermaid.
So the waterfall name is Mermaid Tail.
With only water, and this is how people can find the resemblance between the mermaid tail and the height of the waterfall is 70 meters, and the second height waterfall is
On the drift.
Yeah, go fall down. Although even if you will fall down, nothing will happen. Yes, it's not that dangerous. Mermaid hair are not dangerous, but very beautiful. Very fresh. Nice walking trail here, but we are going to go back now to see what's in the Jermuk city. I'll probably try some of the it's town.
Yeah, it's 5,000 people. It used to be a bit bigger. We used to have an airport.
Yeah.
Not operational now.
No, well, probably we'll try the mineral water directly from the sources.
Yeah.
Although they may be like kind of disgusting. They're not as nice as the
I
table
think
one.
from what I've heard is that there's lots of different ones. Some of them are very sulphur tasting and doesn't agree with everybody's stomach, but some of them are very cold.
A bit of tour around. Everything is being renovated now because the city is being revived. But other than that, having really very 50s and 60s appeal. Nice artificial lake. Very mid-century Soviet architecture. Except that hotel is having very cute pink too. Probably need to go around, then you will see it better. Different temperature of the mineral water. We are going to take the plastic cup and try all of them. She's going to try now. I think they are like, yeah, they are going from. Mineral water.
You can taste a bit. It's not like really sulphury, but you can taste a bit of it.
Let's try this one. Maybe it was even hotter. Be careful. This is 30 Celsius. That one was 35. Oh, it goes up. Okay. Let's see. 45. So it's opposite. It goes up. 45. Okay. You just want to.
Yeah.
Okay, I like it. I don't feel any strange flavors. 50.
Yeah, but the one.
Yeah.
The other one is 50.
Quite pleasant actually. And the final one, 53. I don't know why people don't like. It's actually quite nice.
I don't know why people say it's horrible or whatever. It's
Pretty nice. I don't mind actually to have a
warm
to
water.
lie down in a pool.
Like sparkling water then.
Yeah. Yes, almost done. That was the main thing to see in Jermuk. Pretty view. Artificial lake and the surroundings. Quite big park surrounding the center of Jermuk. And lots of oxygen.
Yeah.
Very clean air. This is the place with a very nice pink roof and the jeeps that take you to geysers. Amazing place.
How the camels to come here down the main road you can find.
more or less the same road we went would have been the original mountain pass that we used.
Yeah. This is almost the same. On just hand that used to be the main road, so you can find it down.
We are on the way to Sevan. So what we were seeing here is the old Silk Road. In medieval times, the camels were coming, and then which century? 14th century. So then they were coming and staying here in Caravanserai, which we will explore now.
So this is the main entrance. On both sides we can find two carvings. On the left side there is a big church, and to the right some say that there is a bull, which is here.
Some Arabic letters here.
So
This
these
is
are
for
from the invasions, from the Middle Ages. They
Okay.
just some say that this is it's about this legends that we tell that it was the conqueror. So dedicated to the conqueror who gets this. But it's just a legend. Since we know that it's from that period of time, we say that it's from maybe it's from the 16th century when the eastern part of Armenia went under the rule of Portuguese. Please watch your steps.
oh yeah. All the light comes only from the openings upstairs.
It's
The ceilings.
single hall, as we mentioned, and on both sides of the main hall we can find the place which were used as stables,
Yeah.
we
Yeah,
can
okay.
say, for the camels, and you can find the holes which were for the ropes of the animals, of the camels.
Mhm.
Yeah, and this is where they used to put the food.
Food, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Right. We are in Noratus+. It's a huge cemetery that has millions of Hajj cars. So we will explore different types of Hajj cars. of different centuries, etc. It's going to be quite interesting. Hachkars, which is Armenian crest stone. Okay, so
Yeah, I mentioned that so Hachkars we erected in different purposes. So in this graveyard. So when you say that we have many Hachkars which are adjacent to each other and they are standing in row, it means that this part used to be a family burial site. Yeah, in those times we did not have the fences to divide the private areas. Yeah, but today, yeah, we have. In those times they were like this standing next to each other. So the main symbol on the Hachkars is the cross itself, without the crucifixion scenery, because we Armenians we do not have the body of Jesus on the cross, because the cross itself it stands for victory, and this is the reason why Armenians do not depict Jesus on the cross. But in the whole territory for me, one can find 4 Hachkars, round crosses with the crucifix, because these are the early examples of the cross stones, we can say. So we can, there is one which is of special interest and special importance for us, because it's depicts, there is a wedding scenery which is depicted on it, and it tells us about the invasions of Tamerlane.
yeah.
Now we'll walk out there to show you.
This one is from 10th century, very simple, not a lot of work on it.
Captain Weber, the conqueror he was sitting on his horse holding the sword, where that we call Yatavar. And so according to this symbolism, when they invaded this village there was a wedding here, and this is why on the corner we can find the groom and the bride at the couple. So here we have the wedding table and the guests around it, the wine jar and the bread on the table.
So we are at the cheese tasting factory. It's a small family factory, and we had a very kind of very thorough explanation what's happening. Again, not going to give lots of secrets. It's a Melkomian factory near Sevan Lake. Highly recommend to come and try very exotic cheeses like with wine grapes, with the Armenian brandy, lots of fantastic ones coming from the very organic milk. And how it's explained that because the milk is produced from the cows which are growing and eating grass on very high altitude, it's actually very aromatic and having fantastic aromas. So we will do the tastings now. Cheese and cured beef, one of my absolute favorites.
It's a complete family-run business.
Yes, yes.
Organic, and it's completely
sustainable
organic,
farm.
Sustainable, beautiful.
Yeah.
The garden is just like orchards of various different fruits and the likes which they use in some of the preserves that they make. So.
Kind of like
and
a dream.
They make their own wine as well.
Our dream come true.
Yeah.
Sevan Lake, just to give you a glimpse of this beautiful lake.
Monastery in the background.
And there is a monastery with interesting history, with a secret passage apparently underneath. It's not the usual monastery that we'll always go, right? Not the Sevanavang.
Yeah.
This is something else.
That's Hayravang,
This is Hayravang.
10th century monastery.
Yeah. This is something more unusual than like the usual tourists see. Somebody's fishing there with a horse. Okay, beautiful. And it's dark blue now. So Sevan can be green, blue, turquoise. It changes color. One of the biggest lakes at this altitude, and it has fresh water, which is pretty unique for lakes. Evening Sevan. This is one of the new places. Sunset, trees, very cool. lovely weather and our famous lake. And this is Stuart.
Yes.
How are you, baby?
I'm good.
So far, nice day
Yeah, it's
today.
been a really good day, yeah.
Yes. Are you ready to eat again? We keep on eating
I'll
and
try
eating
and
and
force
this
a little
tour.
bit down, but
Just
even
some
just going for the cheese tasting, we just ate a lot.
Yeah, the cheese tasting though was fantastic.
Yeah.
Very, very happy with this. Visiting that farm is it's actually amazing. I was
Yeah.
quite happy that we managed to visit that farm.
Yeah, and now we'll see if we can force ourselves to eat something else.
Yeah, before we head to Dilijan and conclude our day there
Sleep, ready for a busy day crossing the border to Georgia.
tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Seagulls are laughing. Oops, oops, oops. Good catch. So, concluding, we are in Dilijan now and in Tufenkyan Hotel and Restaurant. And here is still, we will be telling you bye-bye and good night until tomorrow.
Yeah, good guy.
Goodbye.
No, yeah, we had a good day. So, have a nice little drink, bit of cake, and then good night's sleep, ready for another busy day. So,
Talk tomorrow.
good night, and see you all tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye
Say
bye.
Bari Gishir.
Bari Gisha.
Yes. Bye-bye.